So we finally got some sunshine. I got some work I should be doing on the Baja. I need to do some front end work on the 66 Bug. I got a dead battery situation with the sand car in the trailer. Haven't had that out to the dunes or any place in a year and a half. Man, I hope this is the summer. So I should get my sprinkler system turned on. I cut the grass yesterday. Well, let's just go for a ride in the dune buggy instead. I'll do it later. Yeah. Okay, you want to go for a ride? Come here. Want to go for a ride? Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, oh, that's great. Thank you. Thank you, baby. That's the first time she's done that. I usually have to... Oh, I'm so happy. Thank you, baby. Yeah. You're such a good girl. Yeah. We'll go for a ride around the lake, huh? Huh? Oh, I think I'll keep you for another day. So, where do you want to go? You want to go around the lake? Heck yeah. Look over here. Hey, baby. Hey. Are you going to be shy? Are you being shy? Huh? Are you being shy? Are you camera shy? Well, we're out exercising the 2110. The dog is getting a little bit more used to it. So it's Saturday morning, the sun's shining. There's nobody at this little natural area but us. So I thought we'd come down here and go for a sniff. She's not much of a walker. These hound dogs are all nose. They just have such a sensitive nose, and they want to check out everything that they smell. They're always on the hunt. I don't know if she's looking for food or danger or all the above. Come on. There's the Big Thompson River down there. We're on the very far south end of my town. This is all kind of floodplain, so it'll probably never really be developed. There's like a gravel pit. I can't tell. There's some big birds in that tree, and I can't identify them from here, but I'm going to hit the zoom, and I saw a great big bird go up in that tree, and it seems like there's a bunch of them up there. So maybe it'll show up on camera. I don't know if they're nesting. Looks like they're nesting in that tree, whatever it is. There's a big bird. Yeah. It's some kind of water bird. I don't know my birds very well. A swan, not a swan, but you know, one of those big birds.
Where
rain? Could that be what it is? Back to the car and back on the road again.